of the emergency alert system. You will see it right here on CNBC, every other TV and radio station. It is just a test, and it will take about 30 seconds. We are told it will be painless, as these tests are. Let's see if it comes up here at 2 o'clock on the button. If not, we'll look at some
Our chart of the day right now is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. That is a new low for the trading session in the Dow, and I believe also in the NASDAQ, which is getting hit hard, a little bit harder percentage-wise than the Dow Jones Industrial Average is.
Yeah, take a look at that, 345 points, and if we can flip to some of the others right now, you can see that the other major indices are down, more than 3% at this hour. Really a tough day out there on all the headlines that we're seeing coming out of Europe, and the bond market as well is having
message you are hearing is part of a nationwide